My name is Joe Beck. I've been the owner of Beck's Maintenance Landscaping LLC for 27 years now, located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania. We service the whole East Coast. The RubbleCrusher has become, to me, a big toy that an excavator or a machine operator would like to play with on his job site. Just like when you were little running a Tonka truck, so it kind of makes it fun at the same time. The nice part is you can actually sit on the excavator and you can move this machine where you want it as you're adjusting your placement for where you want to crush. I don't have to hire somebody to be on site with me. I don't have to have a truck hooked to it. It's great for small areas. If you want to change the size of your product, it's a matter of 30 seconds and you're done. The best thing about this machine is you can go from literally 1-inch material to 4-inch material. You can put a sub base down with your bigger material. If you want a smaller finished product, then you can drop the machine size down to 1 inch, which almost gives you a number 57 limestone size, which is perfect for a driveway, perfect for a parking lot area, perfect for French drains, backfill the retaining wall. So the expense that this machine will save you from hauling in and dumping, it's going to work out to your benefit having this machine on your site. I think it's going to be a good niche for somebody like me in the landscaping industry to have this amongst my equipment to service jobs in the city area where we can't haul as much as you can reuse the material. So I think this machine will serve a landscaper or a small excavating company a good purpose. So I do recommend the RubbleCrusher for any landscape company, block manufacturing company, anybody that wants to recycle their product. The RubbleCrusher would do the perfect job.